Of course. Here's the story in English. The quest for the Jungle King. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a boy named Arjun. Arjun was an enthusiastic and brave boy. He loved wandering in the forests. He would often lose himself in the vast, thick jungles and try to uncover their secrets. Everyone in the village knew about Arjun's courage, but there was one question that lingered in everyone's mind. Who was the true king of the jungle? According to the villagers, the jungle had a king, a mighty prince who was the leader of all the animals. But no one knew the king's name, nor had anyone ever met him. It was said that if anyone could find the Jungle King, they would be blessed with an extraordinary gift. Arjun decided that he would find the Jungle King and uncover this mystery. One day, Arjun set out to find the Jungle King. He packed some food, water, and set off with his heart full of adventure. He walked deep into the jungle, where the trees were so dense that very little sunlight could pierce through. As Arjun ventured deeper into the jungle, he heard a mysterious sound. It was a faint murmuring, almost like a soft voice. He followed the sound and soon found himself face to face with a giant elephant. The elephant greeted him with a sway of its long trunk and said, "Who are you, little one?" "I am Arjun," said the boy with courage. "I have come to find the true king of the jungle. Can you help me find him?" The elephant smiled and replied, "You are a brave boy, Arjun. But to reach the king, you must face many challenges. You must go deep into the jungle, into its most mysterious corners." Without hesitation, Arjun said, "I'm ready. I will face any challenge that comes my way." The elephant picked a leaf with its trunk and handed it to Arjun. "This leaf will guide your way, but remember, you must listen to your heart." Arjun took the leaf and thanked the elephant before continuing on his journey. The path ahead became even more difficult. He climbed over large rocks, passed by wild flowers, and encountered many strange creatures. Along the way, he met monkeys, leopards, and bears, but none of them could tell him anything about the king. All of them said the same thing. To find the Jungle King, you must listen to your heart. Arjun began to feel lost. But he didn't give up. He ventured further into the jungle and came across a small, serene lake, its waters glistening in the faint sunlight. He walked to the lake and peered into its clear waters. Suddenly, a bright light began to shimmer in the water, almost like a reflection of the sky. "Who are you?" Arjun asked. A voice echoed from the water, "I am the spirit of the jungle. I am the one who knows its deepest secrets. If you want to meet the Jungle King, you must first recognize the power within yourself." Arjun paused for a moment, thinking carefully. Then he spoke with determination, "I know my strength. I fear nothing, and I believe I can meet the Jungle King." The water shimmered even more brightly, and a radiant light surrounded Arjun. Suddenly, from the corner of the jungle, there was a loud roar, "Arjun! You have come!" Arjun turned around to see a majestic lion walking towards him. Its golden fur glowed like the sun, and its eyes held the power of a true king. "Are you the Jungle King?" Arjun asked, his voice filled with awe. The lion nodded and said, "Yes, I am the king of the jungle. You have come at the right time, and you have taken the right path. You have discovered your inner strength, and that is the true test." Arjun then asked, "What is the secret of the jungle? And what blessing do you offer me?" The lion smiled and said, "The true secret of the jungle is that only when you recognize your own inner power, can you gain true strength. Your blessing is that you have learned the greatest lesson: courage comes from within. The more courage you show, the brighter your path will be." Arjun thanked the lion and left the jungle with a heart full of wisdom. He knew that true courage didn't come from physical strength but from the strength of one's heart. He was now ready to face even bigger challenges, knowing that his real journey had just begun. The end. This story teaches children the importance of courage, self-confidence, and understanding that true strength comes from within. Like Arjun, we all have the potential to overcome challenges and unlock our hidden abilities when we trust ourselves.